Happy Sunday, y'all. This is Debbie with Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to fix some hamburgers on my grill. I've got about 2 pounds, yeah, it is 2 pounds of ground beef here. This is 80/20, and I've got my grill going outside. It's beautiful outside. I went on and cleaned my grill and sprayed it, and then got ready to start it, and the little button didn't work, so I had to find a lighter, and I don't smoke anymore, so I didn't have lighters. I finally found one that I use for my candles. When I use candles, which I haven't in a while, but I finally found one and got my grill going. I've got it out there now getting hot, and I'm going to make these into hamburger patties and put them on the grill. And so I'll bring you back when I get outside and get these on the grill. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I just wanted to show you that these 2 pounds made 6 hamburgers, and this is the size of them. And if you're wondering why there's a indentation in them, if you take your hamburgers and push a little wheel into the middle of your hamburgers with your finger, just push a wheel in there. I use this finger, but I've already washed my hands, so I'm not gonna put it back on here to show you. But you make a little wheel there, and that keeps your hamburgers from getting, bunching up in the middle. So, and the only thing that I ever put on my hamburgers is salt and pepper, because that's just how I like them. So it made 6 hamburgers. I'm going to put salt and pepper on those. And while these are on the grill, I'm going to be cooking tater tots in my Ninja Foodi Grill. And I'm going to do it on the air crisp function. And what I'm doing now is I'm preheating it. And here's the tater tots. And so I'm going to go on now, and I'm using, this is pink Himalayan salt that I use on these. And pink Himalayan salt to me is not as salty as my Morton's is. So I always put extra salt on here. And I don't put the pepper on them on what I do on this side, but I love a lot of pepper on my hamburger and my steak. And so I'm going to put pepper on them here, and then when I turn them over out on the grill, then I'll put more pepper on them. So, like I said, it's Palm Sunday. It's beautiful here. I'm here by myself. I have another family. We live in a house, and my daughter is really scared about this. If any of y'all know, maybe you can tell me. I live in a house with the upstairs is another family, and then the downstairs is my part. And we share the same, like the temperature, the thermostat is upstairs. She controls the temperature for down, the heat or the cold for down here. And I don't really, I can text her and say it's too cold down here, please turn the air conditioner off, or please turn the heat on, or whatever. And it's real good. But my daughter's concerned about us living together in the same house. All right, now my Ninja Foodi is saying add food, so I'm going to go on and put these tater tots in here. And I'm not sure, it says in the oven at 450 for 20 to 25 minutes. Well, we know that the air fryer, I've got this in here on 400. Let me spread them out. I've got them in here on 400 for 20 minutes. I'll be back in here to check them or whatever. But anyway, to get back to the house, if any of y'all know, my daughter says that we're like sharing the same air, and that whatever they do upstairs or whatever is coming down here, vice versa. Which I don't have anyone down here but my grandchildren every other week. And so if y'all know whether this is true, what my daughter says, could you please, comment below and let me know if that's true. I don't know what else to do. I've got a rainbow air filtration system, and that usually runs all the time. I don't have it on now because I've been gone. I just got back home, and I had my grandchildren this past week, and I was at my daughter's, but I decided that I'm not going anywhere. My grandchildren can stay here with me, my daughter come over here or whatever, but I mean, I just really have no choice. I've got to stay here and take care of myself. But my daughter says that because they've got a house or whatever, that it's better for me to be over there instead of in this house with everybody that's upstairs. There's the mother, 2 teenage daughters, and the son, 2-year-old son upstairs. And I just don't, you know, I don't know, maybe it is true or whatever that we're sharing the same air, and they get sick, I can get sick, whatever, I don't know. Like I said, if y'all know, please let me know. Alright, so y'all can see the peppers. See, I put right much pepper on them because I really do like pepper. Alright, so I'm going to take these out and put these on the grill, and I'll meet you out there. Okay, y'all, I'm outside. I'm at my grill. I've got this charbroil 4 thing, whatever it is, 4 thing. And I'm going to put my hamburgers on. Oh, they look like they're falling apart. Okay, so there's all 6 of them on here. I'm going to put the lid down and let them cook. I'm not sure how long they're going to cook. I'm just going to cook them until... I don't like mine all the way done, but hamburgers, I do like them a little pink inside. But anyway, I will bring y'all back when I get ready to turn them. I've got to go check on the tater tots. Okay, y'all, I just turned them over. And it was like 8 minutes on the first side. And so now I'm going to let them finish cooking until the juices run clear. And I will bring you back and show you. I've got to go check on the tater tots, but I'll bring you back and show you my hamburger when I get it finished. Okay, y'all. You can see that these tater tots are done. It took 15 minutes and 30 seconds to cook them. I'm putting them in here in this bowl that I have right here, so I can put my hamburger bun in here. And then I've got to go get my hamburgers. Well, this is good thing I'm in a wheelchair and can run. My wheelchair gets me through pretty fast. But let me get all these out of here and I will bring you back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I'm in the process of fixing my hamburger now. I put my bun in the air fryer and left it in there for 4 minutes, and it kind of burnt. But it's not really burnt. I mean, it's not black burnt, but it's more than I like it, but it'll be fine. Now, what I do with my hamburger on, like, I didn't want to cut up any lettuce, so this is what I'm doing. I cut up an onion and tomato. I put mayonnaise and tomato on the big part, and I put mustard and onions on the little side. And then I am going to show y'all, but I just wanted to show y'all. Look at the hamburgers. Look how little they are compared to how big they were. They shrink so bad. But see that, let's see, where's it at? See the little indentation right there? It keeps it from bubbling up. So that's a good tip for y'all. Alright, so I'm going to go on and fix my hamburger, and I'll bring y'all back. Okay, I just want to tell y'all, these tater tots were perfect. 15 minutes and 30 seconds on 400. They are absolutely perfect. Now here's my hamburger. It's got so much. It's probably going to drip all on me. I'm taking my plate up here with me, y'all. It's really crunchy. But it's still really good. There's my hamburger, y'all. Time to cook out. Sometime soon, I'm going to get a pellet grill. I watch Moss Family TV a lot, and they smoke using a pellet grill. And I want one so bad. I want to be able to smoke my meats and stuff like that. And I'm going to get one way or the other, this spring or whatever. I'm going to get one. So, anyway, I hope y'all have a good day, and thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and my Instagram. Also, there is links below to different things that I use in my kitchen that y'all can get from Amazon. And I hope that y'all have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.